In this video, I am going to show you such a good AI video generator. With the help of you can create these kind of the videos, and here's the best part. All you need the text prompt or your script. Then after that, this is something how your video will be generated. So let me play this video, and you can see here this is the longer video, not a shorter video. So look at the consistency and the quality of the video.
Had beautiful carvings and were swift on the water. These ships allowed them to travel far and wide. They didn't just stay in their home countries, they sailed across the seas to explore new lands. The Vikings traveled all across Europe and even reached places like Iceland, Greenland, and parts of North America, which they called Vineland. You might picture Vikings as fierce warriors with helmets and battle axes, and it's true that they were great fighters.
So this is just a short demo I have given you, and you can see this is the history for kids format of the video. But in this platform you can create faceless videos on the tons of other topics as well. Whether you want the faceless short videos, history for kids that I have just showed you right now, science for kids, we have the bedtime story, we have the horror story, we have the religion kind of the videos we can generate, we have the entertainment, we have the narrative, drama, education. So there are tons of formats available. Based on that, you can use its AI video generator technology to generate the videos. And not only that, you can just generate the videos, but you can also edit them. For example, I have just generated this video here, and if I play this video,
in the heart of the fog-laden English countryside, there lay a railway that villagers spoke of in hushed tones. An old rusting track that ran parallel to.
So in this video you can see there's the subtitle is going on, there's the effect that is taking the video or the footage here, and there's also the animation. So let me play the animation part. You can see this is the animated part.
In all her life as a local historian.
In this animated part you can see the model is walking and there's the movement of the video. So that thing you can also do it here. So this platform is the Mootion, and right now if I go to its official website, you can see there are the tons of other formats as well. Like you can create all these kind of the videos. So I have able to download this video, so you can see the quality, the colors, and everything you will find it here is really good. All you need just your text prompt and you will able to create these kind of the videos as well for you. So without wasting any more time, let me get started talking about the features of the Mootion, and let's see what are the things we can unfold in this video here. So first of all, let me talk about its lifetime deal is available on the app. So starting from the just $69, and if I scroll down below, there are the 3-tier plans available. So every tier plan will give you the limits of the credits. For example, in the first tier you have the only the 1750 credits available, but if you go to the tier 3 we have the 8000 limits. So the higher credits means the higher videos or the longer videos you can create. So right now I have the highest plan, you can see the tier 3, and I have just generated 2 videos and it's only cost me around the 80 credits. So means if we able to create the videos based on only the footages and the scenes, it will cost us around the 20 credits per video, and this video will be the longer, around 2 minutes to 3 minutes. So let me give you a demo here. So before that I will give you demo, let me talk about that it has also the all these features available. The without watermark the videos you can download in the 1080p. We have the video clip generation, we have the commercial license available, and we have the multi-model input. So what I suggest, go with at least the tier 2 plan, because here the sufficient credits you will get, and the link will be in the description. Okay, so if you want the topics on which you can create your faceless videos, I have the 100+ faceless videos topic, the file given in the description. Make sure you also check that out along with this lifetime deal. So now let's go to this platform, and this is how it's look like. Okay, so this is the its dashboard, and in the dashboard you will able to see we have the all the formats available. Let's get started with the faceless short videos here. So I have selected that. Now after that it will ask us to generate from the prompt. So you can grab the prompt and it will just make the prompt into the script based on text. So I am going to get this here, the story of Shepherd's unshakable faith. Okay, so this is the my prompt I have just used from the demo here, and here you can select the output language. We have the so many languages available. I am selecting the US English. Then you can select the tone, so I will go with the here academic. Okay, because I am creating a story. Okay, so that's why I'm selecting the academic. Then I can select the AI avatar. So we have the tons of AI avatars available. This is the 3D format, and I'm going to select the ratio. So this ratio you can select in the 3 format: square, the horizontal, and the vertical. By format it will be the selected in the vertical because this is the 60-second or less video. Then we have the visual styles. So we have the photorealistic, we have the cartoon, we have the 3D, we have the anime, we have the bold line. So I will go with this one, that is the anime style. Okay, so I have selected this one, and after that everything is selected. I can just click here on the generate. So before I click here on the generate, I have also the option available to use my content. Here I can just upload my text script that I have just created with any other AI model like the ChatGPT, OpenAI, or the Gemini. Okay, so let's click here on the generate, and now it will start generating the content. So based on the prompt we have given, it will just create the text, and those text based on we have the scenes. So we have to wait until all the things will be the start generating out, and I will show you all the stuff once it is generated. So right now you can see the scene and the text based on that scene that will be the spoken in the video will be the start generating. And here you can see I have the 15 scenes. So 15 scenes, you can see this is all these scenes. So right now you can see I have selected the anime style, but here this is the something that okay, this is also the anime. So somehow if you are not finding any scene suitable for you, then what you can do, you can click here on the regenerate. You can also replace that, or you want to make the movements or animate that scene. So right now this is just the image, but if you want to animate, you have to click here on this animate button, and after that you have to select the duration. So I will select around the 4 seconds. So based on the duration, it will show you how many more credits it's going to cost you. If you have any specific movements for your scene, you can describe here as the prompt. So once you have described the prompt, you can also select the high quality. So once you click the high quality, the prompt, the credit will be the double. For example, right now without the high quality it is the 16 here. Okay, so you can see it is 16, but if I click here on the high quality, it will be 32, but it will made this image scene animated. So that is the good part. So once everything is done, you have animated few scenes, then click here on the next. Okay, so now we are just editing the video that we are just generated. So this is what makes the motion is really amazing. We are not just getting the video generator, but we can also edit that in the real time. So I'm going to edit this title that will be shown on the main screen. So I will go with something like the trendy. This will looks really good. Then we have the subtitle. So in the subtitle I will go with this one. Okay, then we have the scene effect. So this is the scene effect like the mini zoom, keywords, or shake. So I will go with the mini zoom. Then we have the scene transitions. So one scene to the another scene, there will be the transition. So what transition you want to add, I will go with this one, that is the flash, or my favorite one is that the shakeable blur. So I will go with this shake blur. Okay, then we have the voiceover. Now there will be some voice in your video, so you are adding the voiceover. So we have the so many voiceover available. My favorite one is the pro one, that is the I can select. So based on this is the story, I can go with the casual one here. Okay, so this is the casual one. I can also preview the view voiceover before actually selecting that.
Hi there, if I'm not
okay, so this looks really perfect. I am selecting that one. Then after that you can select your avatar. So I'm not going to select any avatar. Okay, then we have the AI music as well. So I can select the low music, and then after that I can go with the emotion. So this is about a suffered story, so I will go with the hopeful. And then we have all these AI musics available, so I will go with this one here. Again, you can just play the music and preview before selecting that. So once everything is selected, just click here on the composite, then it will start just compiling all the things we have just selected and configured into the one fulfilled or fully generated 100% video. So we have to wait few seconds or up to the few minutes while this is working on. And now the video is generated, so I can just play the video. So let me play the video.
Once upon a time, there was a humble shepherd named Jacob. Jacob spent his days tending to his flock in the rolling hills. Despite hardships, Jacob's faith in God was unwavering and strong. One day, a severe storm threatened to destroy his flock. Jacob prayed fervently, trusting God to protect his beloved sheep. Miraculously,
so this is the power of Mootion. Just from your text or the prompt, you have generated a video. Now you can just download this video, go to your YouTube channel, upload it. And here's the best part, we have the summary available, we have the hashtags available. I can just copy it and paste it here, and I can publish the video. Boom, the one video I have just published. And here's also the share, so directly I can go to the YouTube Shorts and upload this video. Again, really good feature what I liked about the Mootion. So this is the another video I have just created, and this is about a history for kids video, and here's the summary, and this is the video around the 2 minutes 50 seconds. So not only you can create the short videos, but as well as longer videos in the different formats. So if you want to try out the Mootion, there's also the free trial available, but what I suggest, go grab its lifetime deal, because there's also the 60 days money back guarantee. Try it for the 60 days, means the 2 months, and somehow if you are not happy, just return it. This means you are getting the higher limits with the higher time of the trial. And again, let me tell you the bonuses I am giving out with this lifetime deal, the 100 faceless videos topics that I am giving out. So make sure you check out the description for the bonus as well as for the lifetime deal. And today, this is the video I have just given on the overview on the features demo of the Mootion. But next day, I am also going to create a step-by-step guidable video in which I will show you how you can just launch your faceless YouTube channel based off any of the topics, and how you can use the Mootion or the AI automation in that. So make sure you subscribe this channel to stay updated for that video. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.